Hello, it's lovely and sunny and warm here today, and I noticed there's loads of butterflies and bees about, so I thought I'd do a short video and just show you what's going on in our garden. So I hope you enjoy it. The Buddleia's come out. It's not been out very long, maybe a week, and I just noticed there's lots of bees and butterflies on it. The bees are struggling in lots of places, including here, and anything you can plant that they like, well, for all insects as well, it's really good. So we've got quite a bit of Buddleia, and it's big enough here. We've got enough space that it doesn't, it can really grow as much as it wants. I do cut it back though. I do tend to cut it back each year. And there was a hummingbird moth a minute ago. I'm going to see if I can find the hummingbird moth. They just love it, don't they? So good. This is our natural beehive here, so it's a little bit shady at the moment, but the bees are still coming and going, and I'm hoping you can see one or two as they leave and arrive. Probably just catch them as little flashes of light. There was one. And this is a hive that's made out of a hollowed log, and this swarm has been here, we think maybe 3 years. The first 2 years it just arrived and set up home here. And then over the winter we thought we'd lost them, but I think they survived, or some of them did, because they seem to have been very active again. A friend of ours made the actual log, or he got the log and then made it suitable for the bees. We don't collect the honey, we just have them here to support nature, pollinate our vegetables and flowers, and they seem to be doing well. I'll try and get a little bit closer. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to upset them. I'll just get a bit closer so you can see the log better. There we go. It gives a bit of branch in front of it. There. I've got to move now, I think. I'm in their flight path. And they won't like that. Look at these. They all look like they're sunbathing somehow, just on the tops of the flowers. This is just outside the front of our house. You can see the car in the background. And we've just got some lavender here, and we get a lot of butterflies and bees on this. Unfortunately, a lot of them have just moved because I've arrived. But still one or two. little one. Look at the tiny butterfly there and the colours on it. So beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. I've come into the shade now, it's so hot today. So I'm just going to chill for a bit. Have a good week. Bye.